this my page, you will know me and supplements, and we are 5 and 6, like we are brother and sisters. So guys, this is collagen. So this collagen complex, if you are that type that don't like the powder, like I've taken the powder, I've taken the gummy, and now this is the complex. This is like, let's see how it is inside. See the way it's inside. It's just like that powdered one, okay? So the reason why they made this is for people, sometimes you don't like the taste, how the powder the one tastes. It's the same thing. So all for you to just all you need is just take one and swallow it. You are good to go. It's 60 tablets that is inside. Okay, in this supplement it contains 60 tablets, and it is vitamins C, D, and 12 and B12, and zinc. Like this this collagen carries a lot of thing, a lot of benefit, guys. I'm not kidding you. Like, just take a look at it. Can you see that? You see that? You see, it's vitamin C, D, B12, and zinc. Guys, that is why it is called a collagen complex. You know what that means? Collagen complex means collagen complete. Like, they have all in one. This is all in one collagen. So if you're interested in getting this, you know what collagen does to the body, right? I don't need to go, because I've talked about collagen time to number in this my page. Okay, if you want to know, just go and check it out. So I will link it down below. If you are interested in this complex, you can click on the link and get yours. It's very affordable. Don't be scared. It's so affordable and it's nice. Here is my cream. This cream in here, I saw a lot of review concerning this cream. Then I said to myself, why can't I just grab one of this cream? And the way the kind of review I saw concerning this cream, I could not help but get one for myself. My goodness, this cream it smells like cocoa butter. If you have used cocoa butter cream before, you will know what I'm talking about. Like, good on you, but delicious cream. So guys, I'm going to link it down below. If you are interested, you can get it. And the cream is so soft. The cream is creamy. Like, look at it, guys. Look at it. You don't need time, you know. You don't take time, and it smells so good. You don't even need time for the cream to absorb. Look at it. Just take a look. Can you see that? Can you see how that place is shining? Can you see that? Just take a look here and here. You will see the difference. So like I said, I'm going to link this cream down below. Click on that link if you are interested to get one for yourself. Like, what they brought, my goodness, the way they package the thing. Can you see when I was looking at it, it looked as if there is nothing in the pack. Like, the way they package it is something else. This product, I have been longing for it. This mark. If you have ever used lipstick and you don't, and this mark is not part of the lipstick you have used, trust me, you are missing. Like, just take a look at it. It's so natural, you know, and it's so affordable. Just take a look. So we all know how wonderful this MAG products can be. So if you don't like this particular one, okay, this particular one I am using, which is this, okay, they have different color you can use. Like, you can click on any one and just get your color. If you don't like this color, it must not be this. But trust me, when you use it, you know, when you use lipstick, you are drinking water, you will not be scared that you're going to stain the cup. This is what you will use. And you know, you are drinking water, you are eating, it remain like that. You go out and come back, it looks as if you just apply it now. Like, guys, look, did you see that? Nothing. Like, you see that? Nothing. Look, see that? Nothing. See, my lips is still intact. So what are you still waiting for? Grab it. They are doing Easter sales. Okay, click on this link and get it for very affordable price. Okay, before this Easter sales finish, you have to click and grab yours now. Like when I say now, I mean now. Grab yours. Like, it's so fine, it's so amazing. See this color? You see? So you can get any color. This is not the only one I got. Another one is coming. Okay, so you can get any color that you want. They have a lot of colors. They just go there and select any color that you want for very affordable price, because they are doing Easter sales. So that is why I quickly grab it before they increase the price. So what are you waiting for? Click on this link now to get yours.